Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger not sending message issue with your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming uploads from us. If you're not being able to send messages on your Facebook Messenger and you don't know what to do next, then follow the steps. First, enable or disable airplane mode or flight mode. If your Facebook Messenger issue is network related, then this might help with the situation. Once you turn on your flight mode, wait for a few seconds and turn it off back again. Now, turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data in order to get connected with the internet. Once you're connected with internet, go to your Messenger application and try sending that message again. If your problem is network related, then that is how you can easily solve your issue. But if it does not work, then the next thing to do is to disable data saver mode from Messenger. Open up Messenger on your Android device, tap on your profile icon at the upper left-hand corner. From your profile page, scroll all the way down and tap on Data Saver under Preferences. Disable Data Saver mode by tapping on the toggle button at the upper right, and once you turn it off, go back to Messenger. Now you can go ahead and try sending your text message and see if that works. Another thing you can do is to make sure that your Facebook Messenger application is updated to the latest version. Tap the Play Store button and in the search box, search for Messenger. Once you make your search, you should see this kind of an interface. If you see an open button popping up right next to Messenger as you can see on mine, then that means your application is up to date. You don't need to be doing that right now. If you see an update button instead of open, then tap that update button and your update for Facebook Messenger will begin. Once you update your application, go back to Messenger and see if that fixes your issue. If your Facebook Messenger app is still misbehaving, then the next thing to do is to make sure to force stop Messenger and clear out its cache data. Tap Open Settings from your Android device. Under Settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. From the list of the apps displayed on the next page, search for Messenger. Once you spot it, tap it on and this will take you to your app info page. Select Force Stop at the bottom right hand corner and tap on OK in the pop-up. From the same page, tap on Storage. Now, tap the Clear Cache button at the lower right hand corner and this will delete all of the cache data that has been piled up on your Messenger. Now, if you know your credentials for your Facebook Messenger application, then you can go ahead and clear your data as well. Tap on Clear Data button at the lower left hand corner and in the pop-up, it'll ask you if you want to wipe out all of the data from the particular application, which includes files, settings, accounts, and databases. Tap on OK, but remember that you must know your credentials for your Messenger application so that you can get back to it. Once you tap on OK, go back to your Facebook Messenger application and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes which can help you whenever your Messenger application is not sending messages like it is supposed to. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.